Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be filming, it's a highly requested video from you guys who have said that can you give a house tour of your parents' house. That's what I'm doing today! FYI, Mama's a cleaning freak and she's probably cleaning around, but I'm just going to be going around and showing you guys each and every room. So this is my room. Yes, the only one with 2 chandeliers. My room's view is just looking out into the back garden area. The cupboards are empty right now is because nobody steps into this room whenever I come, and this is the whole room. We lead in to the 2nd floor. This used to be like my toilet alone, but the whole family use it, you know how it is. Yes, to the attic way. Right, very scary. Oh my goodness, and the stairs are so steep, jeez. This is legit so scary, like trust me, I've seen a few jinns, like demons or ghosts in this place. It is very scary. Mama? And Mama's upstairs. What I tell you? What are you doing?
Sammy took the bed from enough here and he messed the whole attic.
So you're cleaning?
Yeah.
Wait a second, okay, guys. What do you need to clean in this place? Nobody comes upstairs because it's so scary, number 1, okay? And number 2, no one comes up. So what the hell are you cleaning, Ma? Translation?
No.
You look like twins. Yes.
All these cushions on the floor.
Mama's OCD is like major OCD. Completely crazy with the cleaning. This is another just empty room in the attic. I feel like someone can live in this because it's huge.
Downstairs.
Yeah, they took the bed from this room downstairs because Nafi needs it. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but you have like a closet area. And this is like a secret storage room.
No,
Mama won't reveal.
Keep it closed because Sammy took the lock from here.
Yeah, so that's the
God, I just did
storage.
with human look all this.
There's nothing on the floor, Ma. It's very clean, Mama.
You can't see, but I can.
What did I tell you about the OCD? She's chasing me. Which rubbish? What rubbish am I going to leave, woman?
Look, I just cleaned this bathroom. Another vlog?
Another vlog. No, Ma, just showing the house around.
Is it?
Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Not that I needed your permission, Mama. And this is Sumayya's room. This is the cupboard area, but it is now full with Amaya's clothes because they're staying for a while. Again, same view as mine. And we have Sumayya's ensuite. Everything was designed by Mama, and it's these style baths and showers. I love this ensuite, it's so cute. So this was Nafia's room, but now it's Sammy's room. So yeah, Nafia's moved to Wrexham and barely comes, but now she's moved because, you know, for other health reasons. So yes, this is Sammy's room. Let's show you around. Ma, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning in Sammy's room as well.
Okay, this is Sammy's view before Mama interrupted. He has the drive-through view, front garden view as well. This is Sammy's ensuite. I love this ensuite as well. It's very pretty. Look at the little light. And yes, that's one room done. Now we go into the passageway. This is a spare room. This is my parents' room. This is like the best room in the house. Like, look at the ceiling as well. I love, it's completely wood. Mama has only her daughter's pictures hung up. Oh my goodness, how cringe is this one? My face, so funny. This is Mama with a snake. Yes, she's so cute. Amaya and Ayla and Yusuf. Hannah and Caleb haven't got a picture because we didn't give one yet to Mama. But soon, she knows I'm in her room now, so she's coming. She's like, get the hell out of my room. This is Mama's wardrobe, loads of clothes. And she has another compartment at the top as well. More clothes, shoes, freaking everything. Hi, Ma. You're so cute. Wait, let me show you guys a really cool thing I love about this room. Wait, it has like a little sink in. Then it has like a secret closet kind of thing as well. And we have little lights as well. How cute. Love it. Then more pictures of me with Mama. You can tell Mama loves the pictures. This is Nafi and Sumayya when they were kids. Like, how cute. This is Sumayya. And this is Nafia. And then this is Sammy. How cute does he look? And then this is Mama, Beauty. And then we have a bunch of other, I don't know why, Mama. I really want to take these down, Mama.
No.
Very corny stuff. Okay, fine, Mama. And oh my goodness, my graduation picture. Look at my face. Ew. It was huge. And then this Siddiq's graduation as well. He looks nice. He does look nice in his graduation picture. And I look a mess. Freaking hell, Maliha, what the hell are you doing in life? This is Mama's room. Whenever I come, this is how it is. Mama chases me and she chases Caleb this way. Then she just...
No.
Mama.
I only help you now.
You do help.
Because you mess and I clean.
Oh.
I don't want to show you.
Just another spare toilet. This is Mama's toilet, basically. She's like, no one uses this toilet but Mama. And she loves it. It's very cozy and everything is in good reach. Like when she wants to wash herself. She doesn't need to get up. She just needs to lean over this way. So I can see why Mama chose this one. And more pictures now. Me and my husband. Sumaya and her husband. The rest, Mama's like, forget about their husbands and wives. And then there's us three again. Oh my goodness, Maliha, go away. So cringing. Down the stairs. This is the hallway. My spraying.
Please.
Hi, Maya. Hi, Caleb. Hi, both of you. Hi. Oh. Hi, baby. It's a bigger chandelier now in the hallway area. This is so freaking cool. I want this in my house. It's a mirror, yes. How cute is this?
Come here.
I love it. So much detail. Look at the inside detail as well. It's so freaking nice.
Come on.
Yeah. And then you see basically the front of the house. Here we have like a trophy room, bookcase room. Yeah, because we have bookcases with no books in it. A few trophies that Siddiq and Sammy have won. Another picture of Siddiq's graduation. By the way, the story of this TV, Caleb broke it. Yes, Caleb did this. Now can you see why Mama runs around chasing me and Caleb? This is why. I love this as well. I don't know, Mama's choice is really good. Looking completely into the front of the house in this room. It's like so regal, this room. And even the ceilings, like, it's just really nice in this room. MashaAllah. Another really cool thing, I have a fireplace. In this fireplace, trust me, it does work. You just get the coal and it does the job. It's completely in working condition. We have Nafia and the kids chilling. Nafia's laying down because she's quite ill. Hi Naf, love you Naf. Another fireplace as well, but we don't use this fireplace. It isn't in use because obviously this is a kid's room, but it's just there in the area. That's it really. There isn't much in this room because you need to keep it kids proof basically. This is the downstairs toilet. This is another sharing family toilet. It's a wet room. As you can see, it's a complete wet room. They made this a wet room because when I was ill, I couldn't go up the stairs or anything, so I would use this toilet religiously. Now, this right here is the main living room. But the living room looks into the conservatory, which is this way. We have a little cloakroom area, but nice. This is the conservatory. This is like such a nice bright room. It's such a chilled room. I love this room, especially when it's raining. It's so nice because the rain just hits the conservatory and it's just so nice. Looks into the garden way. When I need really good lighting, this is the room I go to. And this is the dining area. This is the dining table. And then the plate set thing. Have another mirror for anybody who wants to check how they look whilst they eat. You go into the passageway. I love this table. I'm going to take this from Mama one day. Then you have another doorway coming through to the dining area. Next to it is another guest toilet. There's a shower in this toilet as well though. So yeah, it's a great guest toilet. This is going through to the kitchen. Hi Mama. Hi Caleb, what are you making?
Food.
Mama's food diet. Who can diet when you got Mama's food? Hi!
That's my job.
Yes, this is what we currently have in the freezer. And this is what we currently have in the fridge. This is the shepherd's pie that I just cooked, and some karai, yes. And then this is the cooking area. This is the double oven. So this is the view in the kitchen area, and look, Mama has an aloe vera plant. Every time she wakes up, she cuts a little bit off and puts it on her face. Like, let me show you guys. She has aloe vera in the fridge and she uses it every day. It's amazing. See, this is why Mama's face is glowing and flawless and beautiful. MashaAllah. Yes, MashaAllah. Okay, so this is through the back door now, going to the driveway. Oh, it's freezing. This is a guest house. But the guest house has been transformed into Mama's stockroom area because she closed her fashion boutique down and everything's going to be online. So this is soon going to be available online. Look at these dresses. Very, very, very cute. We have like loads of wedding stuff that is just piled up in this place. Nobody else is getting married. Each 5 of us have married. So I don't know what Mama's gonna do with this. It's just lying. So if anybody needs any wedding stuff, just holler at your girl. We've used this room for any family functions, any barbecues, any parties, anything. We've done so much in this room and we've transformed it. Like, it's so big. I don't know if the camera does it justice. You have the guest house. This isn't done up like crazy, but yeah, it's just whenever we get any guests, they would stay in this room. Then you have a kitchen as well. The kitchen has a range oven. You got a range oven in a guest kitchen. Okay. And 2 microwaves. I don't know what they're going to do with 2 microwaves, but we have 2 microwaves for them. You have a guest toilet as well. So you have like 1 toilet this way, 1 toilet this way, and then a shower room as well. Whenever anybody's getting ready for prayer and they need to fully wash themselves, we have this area for them. And I missed this. This is a snooker table with more wedding clothes and other wedding stuff underneath it. So, yes. The driveway. And next to the driveway, this is still under construction, but this is going to be like a basketball court kind of thingy. We have cherry trees, apple trees that actually grow. It's winter time right now, so it's not growing anything. We get apples and pears and loads of really nice fruit growing. And yeah, like I said, this is under construction, but we have like 1 ring in the center, so a lot can be done with it. It just needs to be finished, really. This is the drive-through. We have the front gates then coming in. I love this little detail. This is the front of the house then. The front yard area. I love these trees. They're just so thick and bushy, and yes. And a little bird bath as well that needs to be fixed. And then this is the garden then. Usually where the kids play. We had my brother's wedding events and stuff in this marquee, but one time it was so freaking windy that it blew to the next door neighbor's house. So that's why it's just pinned this way without the cover thing. And this is the conservatory. So you can go through up inside through the conservatory through these stairs as well. This garden was basically completely designed by Mama. This is the boiler room. Oh, and this is like a storage room for like tools and stuff. You can see some tools in the window, but this is the whole. So this is the house that you guys been wanting to see. Oh, I'm just gonna go inside now. It's so freaking cold. I'm gonna go see what Mama's doing. So it took me ages to show the whole house, but mashallah, alhamdulillah, may Allah bless you with so much more. Alhamdulillah. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cooking video with Mama in Pashto. So if you guys want to see that, look at the next video. Okay guys, so I've showed you the whole house and I hope you guys enjoyed it and it wasn't too boring for you guys to see. I don't know what you do in a house tour. I've never seen a house tour before, but I've been reading everyone's comments and everyone says, please can you post a house tour, which is why I've done it. And I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see more as well, because like I said, I do read your comments and I take on board what you guys want to see. So just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.